Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create your Bybit account step by step, get fully verified, secure your account with two-factor authentication, and make your first deposit, all safely and easily. Important: only use the official Bybit link in the description below to avoid scams. All trusted Forex broker links are also included for your convenience. Let's jump right in and get you trading in just a few minutes. Step 1. Account creation. Start by clicking the official link in the description. You'll land on the Bybit registration page. Choose to register via email address or mobile number. Set your password. Then click Get My Welcome Gifts to continue. Important tips: use a strong password with numbers and symbols. Never share your login with anyone. You agree to the terms of service and privacy policy when you sign up. Using the official link ensures your bonuses and protects your data. Step 2. Verify your email or phone. Now, Bybit will send you a verification code. Check your inbox or SMS and enter the 6-digit code. Once verified, your Bybit dashboard will open. You've now created your account, but you're not done yet. Now comes the important part: identity verification. Step 3. Select residence country. Before verifying your identity, select your current country or region of residence. This is critical. Your selected country affects how you verify your ID, so choose carefully. You must confirm your selection is true and correct. Step 4. Complete ID verification. To unlock full features like deposits, trading, and P2P, you must complete Bybit's standard identity verification. Here's what you need: government-issued ID, passport, driver's license, ID card. A selfie showing your face clearly. Requirements: no glare, no blur, no cropping. Document must be fully visible. You must be 18 plus to verify. Once uploaded, Bybit will process your documents automatically. When verified, you can deposit, withdraw, and trade with confidence. Step 5. Secure your account. Let's make your account extra secure. Go to Profile, Account, Security. Enable SMS authentication. Choose your country, enter your phone number, click Send Code. Enter the code sent to your email, then confirm. Then enable Google Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA. Download the Google Authenticator app, iOS or Android. Scan the QR code or manually enter the key phrase. Save this key somewhere safe. It's needed if you lose your phone. Now, your account is locked down and protected against hacks. Step 6. Make your first deposit. It's time to fund your account and start trading. Go to Assets, Overview, Deposit. Choose from Crypto Deposit, P2P Trading, buy crypto with local currency, Credit Debit Card. Choose what suits you. Bybit makes deposit simple and fast. Step 7. Explore trading features. Now that your account is verified and funded, it's time to trade. Bybit offers spot trading, buy and sell crypto instantly, futures trading, trade with leverage, copy trading, follow top traders and earn, Bybit card, coming with more utility, trading bots, earn, launchpad, and more. No matter your skill level, Bybit has tools to grow your crypto journey. And that's it. You've now successfully created your Bybit account, verified your ID, secured it, and you're ready to trade. Remember, only use the official link in the description to sign up. Avoid fake sites and protect your funds. Also in the description, links to trusted Forex brokers like IC Markets, Fusion Markets, EXNES, XM, IG, and more. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Let's grow your crypto future together.